Alright, so I can finally fix this dumb check engine light that I got because, right, I don't know if y'all can see that somewhere. Yeah, this thing, this stopped working, so it smells like gas, which is, you know, annoying. I didn't really do an intro, but let me zoom out. Yeah, it's not. See? Hold up, focus. Oh my god, focus. There we go. Yeah. No boy. Ah, dang, another tire. Don't worry about that. But yeah, check engine light is the thing we're gonna be fixing right now. So that is why I got this part. Focus, focus, focus. I don't know why he did that, but okay. I'm fixing that part right there. Now, hopefully this is just like a, you know, just plug in and stuff, but you never know. So hold on, I'll be back and put. After getting like 20 dumb pieces of rocks and stuff out of my eye, I got this hose out and that plug. Come on, focus. There we go. Yeah. So I got that out, and now I got to get the other piece. Mind you, I didn't jack the car up at all. I don't think you really need to, but I'm just doing this on like foam. So yeah.
What it is, all there is this little switch in there that goes around.
Alright, so I got it off, I think. There we go, yeah, I think I can see it. I'm not even gonna try to look. Now I'm watching a video about how
that little piece of rubber gets
to fix that, I guess. Okay, after watching that video, literally it took 2 seconds to get this whole thing back on. So let's see if this was a waste of 2 days, well, not even 2 days, 3 weeks, and getting dirt and stuff in my eye, probably getting cancer, but hey, it was fun while I did it. Failure. Okay, yeah, it's to be expected. I think I have to wait for it to turn off. So I guess, we'll wait this out, I guess. After doing some highway driving, it went off, so we're all good. That was the fix. So yeah, I'm actually really happy. All right, next fix I'm gonna do on the car is, come on, focus. Yo, I swear, focusing is the hardest thing. There we go. Yeah, this, because you can see it's kind of like cracking. And, you know, shout out to Amazon with the quick delivery. So, what's going on? I don't know if y'all can see that. There we go. Ooh, look how crusty this looks. Jeez, yeah, this thing's been baking in the sun. Alright, well, and with the new. Alright, there we go. Looks a lot better now. I mean, I guess. Looks pointier, to be totally honest with you. I guess because this was kind of broken, it kind of hangs at an angle. I don't know. Well, that's it. So, it's like maybe 3 weeks since the last one I did. But today, as you can see, the car is all spick and spanning clean. You can even see the shine off the tires. The goal is going to be trying to make it look more Halloween. So I printed out these with my vinyl cutter. I don't know if you can see it. It's a ghost. I'm gonna try to, like, the goal is to like have it just go like something like that. Now what I'm gonna do with the back, I don't know. Maybe have it like come from down here and then just go across. Yeah, y'all understand once I get it done. See, I've been playing Need for Speed too long, so I got that creative juices going. So hopefully this goes well. So I guess I could time lapse this. hope this kind of better explains how I was going about it. I have to print some more because, as you can see, I kind of went through quite a bit. So, yeah, ideally I'm going to try to keep it going. I kind of extended it a little further than I wanted it to be, so I don't know what I'm going to do with the back, but I'm going to have to do something. Oh yeah, Peep the new rally armor. I kind of forgot to record, but I had some more, so now we got the Ghostbusters going. I feel like I added another ghost because 3 wasn't enough. I can kind of see that. So I'll put another one here to kind of get, because you can see from this angle it kind of goes up and then it swoops back to do this point. So yeah, I guess back to time-lapse mode. For what it's worth, I think I did a pretty good job for freehanding it. Like, this was just a rough idea, as y'all saw from the first clip that I did. So, I'm pretty proud of it. I guess I'll do a little bit of cinematic for it. So, here I go.
Feel the sound of the drums go. Feel the sound of the drums go. Listen to the sound of the drummer. Up into the beat of my Feel the sound of the drums go. Feel that bass, can't keep the pace, tearing my brain apart. Let's go. Listen to my heart, beat the drummer heartbeat, don't repeat, simple melody.
Anyways, back to the cinematics.
Goes to city to city, from Softy Baker, gritty boombox, what's the dilly? Jump from Philly, come from Africa. On a quest in a tribe from the tracker quest. From the north to the south to the east to west. In a beast of fresh, never looking for less. War, peace, our test. Boombox just goes.
As you can, hold on, oops. As you can see, I forgot to film the end, so I kind of just ended it on a cinematic note. So thanks for watching, and I guess catch you next Wednesday.
Wanna make some moves instead of chill. She said it's all about me, no, it's all about you. Yeah, she trying to keep it cool, I'm just trying to set the mood. She wanna chill, let the